Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss about trusses in StatPro, truss friends in StatPro. Okay, first of all we have to open the StatPro, go to new project, here select the space, give the file name as truss friends. Here give the location of our file saving and select the downloads here. Okay, next go to length units. Here I am selecting length units as meters and force units as kilonewtons. Just click on next and here add beam option, click on it and click on finish. Here it will be open like this. I want to see this in front view. Okay, just keep this in front view like this and I want to edit this grid. Go to edit option. Here I want the grid as 2.6 spacing and Y as 4 spacing. It is in X axis, just click on OK. It will be like this. Okay, just take a pound here. Initial length, I want to draw the truss here. Okay. Okay, just select the point. From here to first point, second point, third point, and fourth point. Here, I want to select this midpoint of this at a height of 4. Our truss height is 4. Just give a point here and touch this initial point. Okay, just on end of this. Here this is our truss and add this midpoint. Again alignment of the grid mode. Again I want to combine this like this and again it will be combined to this truss midpoint. Just off this grid mode. On and off. When we are on and off this grid mode, again the cursor will be activated and our beam will be added like this. Okay, just off this and off this grid mode. Yeah, it will be like this. Okay, now we want to add the truss in this perpendicular to this beam, to this horizontal beam. I want a perpendicular from this node point to these beams. Just fix the control button and select these two beams. Give a right click here, insert node option, just click on it and give a midpoint, add midpoint, click on OK. So from these midpoints I want to add this both. Go to add beam option. Here this is our add beams. Just select this and give the beams like this. And again here also. Okay. Okay. This is our truss model. So here this is our geometry. Geometry means drawing. It will be completed. Next of all we are going to general. In general we have to assign the properties, assign the supports, assign the loads and materials. Initially take the properties here. In properties actually in different types of buildings we are using the define option for UA beams and columns. For this it is our steel truss. So go to section database option. Here in section database we have to give the properties of steel. In this go to angle, Indian, we have to use the Indian angle option. In this angle we want to select the different types as you wish. I want to select the 20 by 20 by 4. Here we have to select the steel option, click on add option and close it. So here we have to assign this. So just select this and control this on, select this all and go to assign option, assign to selected beams, click on assign. Click on S. Why we click on S? The assessment method you have chosen is assigned to selected beams. This this property will be assigned to the selected beams. Okay. Here also just click on S. Yes, it all will be applied to these trusses. Truss. Just save this. Save. Okay. Next go to supports. In this support, I want to give here as just go to first of all create. One is pin beam, one is fixed. First of all, I want to select the pin beam. Click on add option. Again create fixed. It will be on forces of X. Just click on add option. So first of all I want to give the support at this endpoint. Assign to selected node, click on S. Click on S. Next I want to give the support at this node. Okay, just click on assign to selected node, click on S. Like this. So here our support is also completed. Next go to loads and definitions. In this loads and definitions, go to load case details. In this we don't give seismic load and wind load. Why? Because it is too small. Why? Its height is only 4. Wind will be applied above 10 meters. Here we have to give the dead load and fix it as DL. Click on add option. Again we have to view here as nodal load for live load and L. Just add it and close. Just select the dead load, add option. Here dead load means self weight load. It is y direction, it is -1. Click on add it and click on close. Again select the nodal load, add it. Here go to node loads, that means nodal load. Here I want to view in y direction, it will be -9 for all 3 nodes. Okay, -9 or -10 as you wish. Click on add option and close. Here we have to assign these two. Why? Because these two are taken initially. In this again here this will be red mark. So this, if there is a red mark, it will be assigned immediately. Just select the self weight, click on assign to view, assign, click on S. After assign this dead load, here the red mark will be disappear, or here you can observe this. And again go to nodal loads. Here I want to give the nodal load for, select this and go to nodes. Go to node cursor and select the nodes. For these 3 nodes I want to assign this. Click on assign to view. Click on this. Oh, actually all these nodes are activated, so go to Ctrl Z option. Again here we have to select the nodal load and go to node cursor. I want to select this node and select this node and select this also. Here assign to view, assign to selected nodes. Assign to selected nodes. Click on S. Yes. Here these 3 nodes are like this. The loads are applied at these three nodes only. These three nodes have -9 nodal load. It will be like this. Here also we have the load option. When you click this, the loads are visible in our limited space. Okay. Next go to materials. Here already here visible. We have to use this for steel. So just click on assign to selected beams. Click on assign. Click on S. The steel will be activated to this trusses. Next go to analysis and print. Go to analysis and print. Here no print option. Just click on add it and close it. Next go to analysis. Click on run analysis and click on save. Here we have to observe if there is any errors or not. Obviously there is no errors. It's good for us. Okay, just no errors and no warnings. Okay, go to post processing mode. Click on done. We have to apply these two dots. Okay, here we have to observe the displacement. In the animation, go to animation. First of all, here we have to view the deflection. Click on apply and click on OK. There is no deflection for dead load and node loads. Okay, here it will be acted like this. Deflection. Shear force in x-axis, it will be acted by it will be slightly shown. It is a moment in x direction, moment in y direction, moment in z direction. If you click this is a stress. Go to stresses here. Go to graphs. Here it will be visible like this. Here it will be like this. When it was taken and who did this and who can apply this. All the reports are we can mention here. Let's go to modeling. Next here we are going to discuss about design. Just click on design. In this select the parameters for a steel of IS 800. First of all we have to take all this in this here yield strength of your steel. That's it. Just click on OK. Here go to define parameters. Here we have to take the 25,000. Sorry, 2,50,000. Click on add and close. Go to commands. In these commands we have to take the check code, member takeoff, add it, select it, add it, and takeoff will be taken. Just close it. Here we have to take all this. We have to assign all this. Click on assign to view. Click on assign. Click on S. Again check code. Click on assign to view. Steel member takeoff. Click on assign to view. Click on assign and click on S. Again go to select option. Click on assign to view. Click on assign and click on S. Select the steel takeoff. Select takeoff. Just click on this. Here again go to analysis and print option. There is no print option. Click on add it and close it. Go to analysis, run analysis. After design we have to again analyze this if there is any errors or not. Okay, here also we don't have any errors. View output file. Yeah, this is the output file of your truss frames, steel trusses. If you observe here, steel design, like this. All our results are taken here. Here you can observe all the test set passes, ST 35 by 35 by 3 pass or passes here. Steel design will be passed. All are satisfied. Like this is our final output of this design. Our result will be okay for this. Okay, this is our steel frames. Okay, thank you.